Imagine a world where every country on Earth decided to use the same flag. Picture the vibrant tapestry of distinct national symbols stripped down to a single shared banner. Now, instead of a kaleidoscope of colors and meanings fluttering in the wind, the sky would be dotted with a uniform shade of neutral blue, a flag representing the United World Federation. It all began with a sudden, unanimous vote at the World Summit. Leaders tired of disputes over borders and national pride agreed to blur the lines, literally. The flag was chosen for its simplicity and symbolism, blue like the oceans that connect us, plain like the harmony they hoped to achieve. At first, the world adapted quickly. Old flags were ceremoniously lowered for the last time, replaced with the new emblem of unity. People marveled at how the same banner now flapped across every continent, a spectacle of unity at first glance. However, it wasn't long before the cracks began to show. With the loss of flags came the loss of identity. People missed the stories and struggles their old symbols told. The red, white, and blue, the crescent moon, the sun and stars, they all held legacies that a single flag could never embody. Tourists found themselves baffled. Souvenir shops quickly ran out of items as there was nothing unique to distinguish one country from another. Athletes at international games stood bemused at the podium, unsure which anthem to expect. And yet, the ultimate irony arose at the next World Summit. A small nation stood up, claiming they felt overlooked in the design decision. They proposed a minor change, just a little star to represent them. Others quickly followed suit. Soon, the flag was a patchwork of additions, each nation vying for a speck of individuality. Before long, the original pristine blue was a quilt of competing symbols, not unlike the flags they abandoned.